YouTube has become a popular platform for content creators to share their ideas, skills, and passions with the world. As a result, many individuals and businesses are interested in monetizing their YouTube channels to generate income. To ensure a fair and positive environment, YouTube has established monetization policies and criteria that creators must follow. In this comprehensive guide, we will break down the 15 essential steps to understand and adhere to YouTube's monetization policies and criteria in 2024. Step 1. Create a YouTube account. Begin by creating a YouTube account if you haven't already. This will allow you to upload and manage your content. Step 2. Verify your account. To access monetization features, you must verify your account by providing a phone number or email address. Step 3. Follow YouTube's community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's community guidelines to ensure your content is appropriate and follows the platform's rules. Step 4. Create engaging content. Produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This will help you grow your subscriber base and increase your chances of monetization. Step 5. Reach 1,000 subscribers. To be eligible for monetization, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers. Focus on creating valuable content and promoting it to reach this milestone. Step 6. Accumulate 4,000 watch hours. In addition to reaching 1,000 subscribers, you must also accumulate 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Consistently create and promote your content to achieve this goal. Step 7. Complete the YouTube Partner Program application. Once you meet the subscriber and watch hour requirements, complete the YouTube Partner Program (YP) application. YouTube will review your channel to ensure it adheres to their policies and criteria. Step 8. Agree to YouTube's monetization policies. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's monetization policies and agree to them upon acceptance into the YPP. Step 9. Link an AdSense account. To receive payment for your monetized content, you must link a Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel. Step 10. Enable monetization for your videos. Individually enable monetization for each video you wish to earn revenue from by selecting the monetization option in the Video Manager. Step 11. Choose monetization methods. Select the types of ads you want to display on your videos, such as display ads, overlay ads, or pre-roll ads. Step 12. Monitor video performance. Regularly check your video performance to understand how well your content is performing and adjust your strategy accordingly. Step 13. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, collaborate with other creators, and participate in YouTube's community to build a loyal fan base. Step 14. Maintain compliance with YouTube's policies. Continuously review and adhere to YouTube's policies and criteria to avoid any potential issues that could jeopardize your monetization status. Step 15. Analyze and adapt. Regularly analyze your channel's performance, adapt your content strategy, and stay informed about any updates to YouTube's monetization policies and criteria. Conclusion. By following these 15 steps, you will be well equipped to understand and navigate YouTube's monetization policies and criteria in 2024. Remember that creating valuable content and engaging with your audience is crucial to maintaining a successful and monetized YouTube channel.